1905. Centrifugal pump theory announced by Dr. Arya Inokuchi, Tokyo Imperial University. In order to create a thriving pump business based on this groundbreaking high-performance pump, Issei Hatakeyama founded the Inokuchi-type machinery office in 1912. This was the beginning of Ebara Corporation's continued growth to its present-day status as a global manufacturer of industrial machinery. From its founding, Ebara honed its technological skills to create many record-breaking products that were the first of their kind in Japan. In 1961, Ebara entered the waste treatment business. In the 1980s, the trend towards higher density semiconductors stimulated demand for oilless vacuum pumps, prompting Ebara to develop dry vacuum pumps, making its start as a manufacturer of semiconductor equipment. Then, with the delivery of its first CMP system in 1992, the name Ebara became known worldwide as a manufacturer of semiconductor equipment. Ebara's activities are divided into three main business areas with a company for each, and is strengthening its business base through technology, development, and manufacturing expertise. Fluid Machinery and Systems Company has for many years been providing a variety of products and related equipment, pumps, fans, compressors, and chillers that serve as the infrastructure of society, industry, and our daily lives. Cryogenic pumps are active in many LNG plants, tankers, and bases all over the world. These protect cities and agricultural land from water damage caused by flooding that occurs due to sudden localized torrential downpours. This pump unit is capable of supplying water up to a height of 60 stories to meet the modern-day needs of increasingly tall buildings. These are used to compress and feed gas under high pressure and to liquefy gas. These products are used for air conditioning and cooling large enclosed spaces, such as in buildings and underground shopping arcades. The blower blows nitrogen gas to rapidly extinguish red-hot cokes for iron making. These large stainless steel pumps are used for large volumes of seawater. This is a boiler feed water pump used to pump feed water into steam boilers to operate electricity generators at power plants. These pumps are removing salt from seawater through high-pressure reverse osmosis. In 2010, Ebara Corporation released a series of new standard purpose pumps that realize the highest level of energy-saving features in the industry. In 2009, Ebara developed a centrifugal chiller that realized one of the world's highest levels of efficiency. The market of the Fluid Machinery and Systems Company is expanding globally. Ebara products are being manufactured at production bases around the world and used at global cities. Our environmental engineering company contributes to society by using technologies related to energy and the environment to improve material incineration, gasification, stoker incineration and plasma-based ash melting furnace heat generated by garbage incineration is used for generating electricity, and incinerated ash byproduct is turned into slag, which in turn is used as subgrade material for roads. Fluidized bed gasification and ash melting plant. This plant uses an economical waste treatment system that uses the treated waste's own heat to decompose and melt waste. Internal circularization fluidized bed boiler. These facilities generate power by efficiently recovering heat using biomass energy. We are responding accurately to customer needs by combining engineering, procurement and construction, and operations and maintenance technologies. Our precision machinery company is focused mainly on the semiconductor market, producing the chemical mechanical polishing equipment essential in the fabrication of semiconductors, the dry vacuum pumps required to manufacture precision equipment, as well as the gas elimination equipment necessary for detoxifying the toxic gases aspirated by the dry vacuum pumps. CMP systems, which began with the planarization of layer insulation films, are also applied to tungsten and copper wiring processes, and are even now vital for the planarization of wafers. These devices render harmless the toxic gases generated in semiconductor production processes and PFC's gas, which has a high global warming factor to ensure clean environments. This equipment decomposes the PFC's gas generated in the etching process and captures fluorine components, thus eliminating the need for fluorine wastewater treatment. A substantial lineup of Ebara dry vacuum pumps is available to meet a wide range of customer needs. Products range from large pumps of large-scale facilities to lightweight products that apply the latest technology to save space and energy are available for use in all kinds of applications and installation sites. Ebara is actively expanding its dry vacuum pump business in the solar cell, LED business, areas expected to grow even more in the future. Ebara is also aggressively making efforts to open new markets. For example, developing plating systems for 3D mounting, an area of anticipated growth in the field of semiconductor production. A new technology for stacking and integrating chips in 3D is anticipated as a technology for enabling faster processing speeds and higher integration regardless of the trend towards finer circuit patterns. Through communication with the local community and cultural sports, technology promotion, and environmental conservation activities, Ebara is contributing to and supporting society, the global environment, and our lives. Ever since the establishment of Ebara Hatakeyama Memorial Fund, intended to promote mutual understanding and friendship with Southeast Asian countries in 1989, Ebara has been continuing grassroots international aid activities, have related to technical support and appropriate technical development. Hatakeyama Memorial Museum of Fine Art has nearly 1,300 pieces of tea sets, calligraphy items, ceramic ware, lacquerware, and no-play costumes, including 6 designated national treasures and 32 designated important cultural properties on display for everyone to see. In 2012, Ebara will be celebrating the 100th anniversary of its founding. Ebara has been supporting our safe, secure, and rich lives through its products operations of compressors, chillers, and semiconductor manufacturing equipment, as well as pumps. Ebara Corporation and the Ebara Group will continue to use our 100 years of achievements as a solid foundation for further continued growth as an industrial machinery manufacturer.